I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and a quick backup of any open work. Once ready, right-click Start, choose System, then About. Make sure you reach Advanced System Settings. In the Performance area, click Settings, then switch to the Advanced tab. Next, click Change under Virtual Memory. This is where Windows manages the page file. You're already doing the most important first steps. This gets you directly into the config screen, so you can adjust or disable paging without hunting through menus. Once in virtual memory, uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives so the options become editable. Select the system drive, choose No Paging File from the list, and press Set. That tells Windows not to allocate any swap on that volume. Make sure to apply or OK each dialog in sequence. Windows will warn you that some changes require a restart to take effect. You're turning off disk-based virtual memory. Do this only if you understand the memory and stability trade-offs. After applying changes, restart the PC so Windows enforces the new setting. Once back, open Task Manager and view performance to confirm the page file is disabled. You should see no committed paging usage on the drive. If applications crash or you get low memory errors, immediately re-enable the page file or set conservative custom sizes. As a troubleshooting tip, if you must restore, use an initial size about 1.5 times RAM and max about 3 times RAM, or simply revert to system managed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.